taken the pen in me hand to tell you we're just out of sight of the land. In a big anchor liner we're sailing in style, and we're sailing away from the Emerald Isle. A strange sort of sigh seems to come from us all as the waves hit the last bit of old Donegal. Sure, it's good to be you that is taking your tay where they're cutting the corn around Christmas Day. I spoke to the captain and he won't turn around, but if I swam back I'd be apt to be drowned. So I'll stay where I am, for the diet is great and there's lots of combustibles piled on my plate. Although it is sumptuous, sure I'd swap the whole lot for the Isle wooden spoon in the stirabout pot. And Katie furnished me a wedding tay where they're cutting the corn around Christmas Day. There's a woman on board that knows Katie by sight, and we'll talk about times till they put out the light. I'm to meet a good woman tomorrow on deck. Shall we talk about Katie from here to Quebec? I know I'm no match for her, no, not the least, with her house and 2 cows and a brother a priest. But the woman declares Kitty's heart's on the sea, while mine's with the reapers round Christmas Day. Goodbye to you, Danny, there's no more to be said, for I think the salt water's got into my head, and it drips from my eyes when I call to my mind the friends and the colleagues I'm leaving behind. And sure Katie herself, when she bade me goodbye, had just a slight trace of a tear in her eye and a break in her voice when she said you might stay, but please God I'll come back to our